Well, here it is, June 30th, 2018, and this is 1 year old now. Hard to believe we got it 1 year ago. It makes cutting grass a lot easier because we have a 3/4 acre property with a lot of trees to go around, back up and go around. And so I was using the push mower, like a 22-inch or something like that. Took me like hour and a half to do. So it was nice to get a riding mower again. I had a riding mower years ago. It was used. It lasted a while, but then for like 3 years I was pushing. So I always wanted a Cub Cadet. I like them. Take good care of them, they'll take care of you. Just got done mowing the grass and washing her down, cleaning it up. This one's powered by the Kohler 24 horse. Real nice. I take care of everything, clean it up every time, usually, and keep it good looking. So, after 1 year, I think there's like 17 hours on it. 16.7. Make you dizzy going around in circles, I know. We enjoy it. It does what we want. Cuts the grass.